Hey gang, got some stuff in the mail today. These are from my friend Colin Nipper up there at Farm Toys for You, and just some things to add to the collection here. And I'm also going to use these for a Toy Farmer article. So, first up is a 9620. Now, the 9620's been around a long time, but these clear cab glass ones are getting a little harder to come by. And the reason I want it is, well, I've made a detail kit for these. And it includes a new grill, so you cut this grill out, put the whole new grill in, looks really nice, handrails and all that sort of thing. And so anyway, I need one to kind of gussy up and make it look good, even though, like I said, even though these are getting a little harder to come by, and when you do find them, you kind of got to pay up for them. But that's okay, because I'm going to turn this into something very nice. So I'm fine with paying up for something that's going to result in a really nice toy. Next up, I didn't cut the plastic on this, the tape on this. I got this. It's a Rogers Lowboy, and so it's kind of an old school vintage Lowboy. And the reason, or at least the purpose for this, is that we actually had one very similar to this back when I was a kid at the farm, and my plan is to kind of do this up like that. Now, here's a couple things. Gotta paint this yellow. Now, I think they actually made one of these in yellow, but mine's in white. So, simple paint job ought to take care of that. And then need to do a little something with these wheels. Might put some aftermarket wheels on there just so they'll look a little nicer. And other than that, it's pretty much ready to go. I need to put a toolbox up here because that's how we had ours set up. And then I'm ready to haul some tractors on my vintage Lowboy. So that'll be fun. Pretty excited for that. I've been hunting for one of those for quite a while, actually. So to be able to get one is awesome. And then here we go. The PC 210LC-11 Komatsu backhoe. They call it an excavator. Child me will always call this a backhoe. By First Gear. This is 1/64 scale, guys. So I've said it many times in videos and other places. I really feel like the 1/64 scale construction market is just ripe for the taking. So I hope we see more and more of this stuff. You know, we've got some of the cat stuff that came from Ertl this year. And now we've got stuff like this from First Gear. Although I actually don't know for sure when this came out, to be honest with you. I just saw it somewhere, and fortunate enough to get one here. Anyway, it is die-cast metal. It's pretty heavy. It's got some weight to it. I'll do a video on it by itself, so don't worry. You know, we're not catching the details here too much. We'll get that, but I'm digging it. Boy, I don't know. I like it. You can see all the step grip and all that sort of thing. We've got the hydraulic lines and all of that. Really liking this a lot. This is a neat toy, and I hope this is a sign of more things to come in the future. I know there's also a dozer as well from First Gear in the 1/64 scale, so kind of the same series, if you will. There's all your dimensions and things like that if you're just kind of curious. But anyway, this is a short video, only a quick 3-minute video, but just kind of a quick unboxing of the new stuff that showed up today. Anyway, guys, that'll do it. Thanks for watching. Have yourselves an awesome day. Happy tractor hunting.